The Ford Mustang isn't just a car, it's an American icon, a symbol of power, freedom, and style that has captivated hearts and minds for over half a century. Born in the mid-60s, the Mustang was Ford's answer to the burgeoning demand for a new breed of car. It was sporty, it was stylish, but most importantly, it was accessible. The Mustang was an instant hit, selling over 1 million units in its first 2 years, and it didn't take long for it to leave its hoofprint on American car culture. The Mustang gave birth to the pony car class, a category of American muscle cars that are distinguishable by their long hoods and short rear decks. Its iconic status was further cemented through appearances in countless movies and TV shows, from Bullitt to Gone in 60 Seconds. The Ford Mustang isn't just a part of American car culture, it has helped shape it and continues to do so till this day. The Ford Mustang has evolved significantly over the years, but it has always remained true to its roots as a powerful, stylish, and accessible sports car. Our journey begins in the heart of the 60s. 1964 saw the birth of the first-generation Mustang, a car that would quickly become an emblem of American muscle. It was a compact, affordable, and powerful vehicle, with a design that was both sleek and aggressive. The long hood and short rear deck became signature Mustang features. Fast forward to 1974, and the second-generation Mustang made its debut. Known as the Mustang II, this model was a response to the oil crisis. It was smaller and more economical, but still retained the Mustang's signature style. The third-generation Mustang, introduced in 1979, saw a shift towards a more aerodynamic design. This was the era of the Fox body Mustang, a car that would become a staple in the street racing scene. In 1994, the fourth-generation Mustang brought back some of the classic design elements from the first generation. The round headlights and the tri-bar taillights were a nod to the past, while the car's improved performance and handling were decidedly modern. The fifth-generation Mustang, launched in 2005, was a modern reinterpretation of the classic Mustang design. It was a car that looked back to its roots, while looking forward to the future. And that brings us to the present day. The sixth-generation Mustang, launched in 2015, is a car that's packed with technology. It's got a digital instrument cluster, advanced driver assist features, and a range of powerful engines, including a turbocharged 4-cylinder and a roaring V8. Throughout its evolution, the Mustang has always been a car that's accessible to the everyday driver. It's a car that delivers performance and style without breaking the bank. From the sleek first-generation models to the modern tech-filled Mustangs of today, the evolution of the Mustang is a testament to Ford's commitment to innovation while staying true to the car's iconic roots. The Ford Mustang's legacy is much more than just a timeline of design changes and technical innovations. It's a testament to the power and style that has become synonymous with American cars. The Mustang didn't just leave tire tracks on the asphalt, it left a lasting impression on the very fabric of American car culture. From its inception, it was designed to stand out, to roar louder and run faster than the competition. Over the years, the Mustang's evolution, marked by bold design choices and groundbreaking technical advancements, has set the pace for the sports car market. Other manufacturers have followed its lead, trying to capture that quintessential Mustang magic, that blend of power, style, and innovation. The enduring popularity of the Mustang is a clear indication of its influence and impact. Its legacy continues to shape the industry, setting standards for performance and design. The Ford Mustang isn't just a car, it's a legend that continues to inspire and captivate car enthusiasts around the world.